We got Mr. Dave's 2008 Toyota Avalon here today. As you can see, she's taking a bit of damage. He changed lanes and didn't see a feller the other day and sideswiped him. Luckily, he paid his insurance deductible, or I don't know, he did the right thing. So that's all good, fine and dandy. He brought it here, he needs to get it fixed. We're gonna start off in this video. I'm gonna make it quick and sweet. I'm gonna show you how to swap this mirror here. So you'll see he ripped his whole mirror off. First, I'm gonna say I will put a link down in the description to a website, right? You can order one online. I'll have an Amazon link up here in the video as well if you have like a base model or something. But if you're looking for something particular and something that's painted, then there's a website where you can look up with your zip code the inventory of all the salvage yards around you. I'll have that linked below. You can go through that, then sort it by mirrors and just look for one. Sometimes I search by doors because people don't list mirrors individually, but just look around for one that's already the same color, and then it'll make it nice and easy. You don't have to go to a body shop, you don't have to go to a mechanic shop. This is gonna be like the easiest thing you've ever done. So we're gonna get right into it. So once you have your mirror, all you gotta do is open the door here and grab yourself a trim stick. So this here is called a trim stick. You use this to remove plastic without damaging plastic. So you can pry up and it won't hurt it. So we're gonna go right here to this little plastic case and we just need to pop this off. It should be held on with some clips, just like this. Hey, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's as simple as taking off these three nuts where these studs are, and then whatever is left in the mirror will come off of this side. In this case, there's not a whole lot left, but if you didn't do a big number as Mr. Dave here, I would suspect. Oh no, I dropped the nut down in the door plastic. Where'd it go? There it is. It has not fallen down in the depths. I'm gonna grab a magnet. Be careful when you take them off because there's a little hole right here it can fall down in, and then we'll have to remove the whole door panel. We don't want to do that, and I just did it. But once you have those studs off, you can just remove whatever's left of the old mirror like that. All right, I was able to fish the nut out with a magnet. Thank God. But all right, so now to reinstall, and you know, if you hit something, you will want to inspect this harness right here, but this one took no damage. So all you got to do is reach around like so, plug your harness into your new mirror, and then stab all your studs through the holes. Now we're gonna finger start all these nuts, and then we'll shoot them down tight. There you have it, guys. We got ourselves a new mirror on the car. Come on. So if that video helped you out, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more.